Analysis of Cardano, Techiar, ODA really made a lot of money this morning with, you can see it right there. During this video, I'm going to explain it all to you. So today, I'm going to analyze it, and then I'll explain to you, in my opinion, where it's heading. But just like that, you see it right away. We're on the daily. So we've gone up. This is today, you see, and look where we've come to tag the prices. We've come to tag here. You see, it's easy. We tag here, far, short, then we tag here, short, then we come and tag again here, short. Easy. If you're from Crypto-Quebec, how do we say that? Face. Easy. So if this is the impulse from March 3rd, finally we retrace. Bing. This is today. Just in the agenda for today, the ODA. It took, because this is a daily, today it took 67%. Now you're going to tell me, where is it going? Stay right there. I'm going to tell you where it's going. My God, So obviously it was certain that when it came in, right, we were going to go short. The ODA, obviously, it went up. This is the guarding here. These are the results of today. There are still a lot of results. This is minus 310 on the ODA, 180 on the ODA, 167 on the ODA, and 664 on the ODA. There and there, it comes in short from support. Well, it's easy if you take the Crypto-Quebec technique. You draw your boxes. I don't draw them anymore. I've been faking it since 2017. But it was so easy to predict. On the first of the month, I said, why? Because there was a box, and on the first of the month, I said, be careful on the first of the month on the discourse. Obviously, I said, be careful. It could go down. We stayed. I said, everything you need to do, right, to know if it's going to go down, is to go down in time frames and wait for your red candle. There wasn't one. However, why did I get 668%? I took the trade from here as soon as I heard it was going to take off, around here, about